It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
This is a 2011 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. These marker lights, they're not just for show, they're here for a reason. According to a federally mandated law, Ford was forced to install these marker lights because of its extra wide stance. The SVT Raptor is wider by 7 inches compared to the regular F-150. I had someone do some cool custom LED work and have integrated it with the truck's DRL lights, which make this truck look even more cool. So what we have here is a Ford Boss engine. This has nothing to do with the Ford Boss 302 Mustang. It's called the Ford Boss engine. This is a single overhead cam iron block V8 with sequential fuel injection, 403 horsepower and 434 pound-feet of torque. 91 octane gasoline, you'll get a massive 411 horsepower. Have functional hood vents. They're not fake, just so you know. We have 17-inch tires here. I swapped them out because I couldn't stand the road noise that was coming out of those BF Goodrich Volkswagen tires. So got some really good Yokohama Geolandar highway tires, and the road noise was substantially minimized. And also I changed the rims to the stock 2012 Ford Raptor rims. We have here Fox Racing shocks with internal bypass. We have 11 inches of wheel travel in the front and 12 inches of wheel travel in the rear. We have a double wishbone front independent suspension. Awesome Ford graphics. I don't know, reminds me of Jurassic Park, my opinion. At the rear wheels we have a similar setup than the front. We also have Fox shocks here, but this is a live axle setup with leaf springs. We have this huge SVT Raptor logo here, which is super cool. And we have this huge blue oval Ford emblem here. And we have the camera tucked nice and neat right on the bottom. And let me show you some cool things here. This is the tailgate step. This is your handle. So take your step, walk in. Amazing. Also, I want to show off this tonneau cover that I bought a couple years ago. This is the Backflip MX4. This is probably the best tonneau cover you'll ever buy because it's safe and you won't risk it flying away if you don't lock it. Because as you can see, these pieces lock onto the channel here, so this thing won't fly away. You also have some clips here that can hold it in place if you need to transport something big. And you can do the same thing on the other side. This is the bed extender. Beautiful orange applique in the doors. Very classy. Same thing as well. We have orange accented seats, which are very, very comfortable. Like almost couch comfortable, I must say. We also have the Sony 700 watt subwoofer in the bottom of the seat, which is, by the way, the system sounds pretty good. Tons of legroom here. This is basically limousine territory. AC vents, cigarette lighter jack here, and 110 volt AC plug if you need to plug in a charger or whatever you have. Storage space on the bottom if you need to keep anything. The seats all fold and tuck away nice and neat. We got cup holders here. We got a big storage bucket here. We have power operated seats. I believe they are 8-way. Alright, let me show you the storage compartment. It's huge. You can fit a lot of stuff here. You can fit a baby in here. Just look at it. Move this here. Yeah. You got your cell phone here. I don't know if it says cell phone, so I don't know. MP3 player. Pens. It even says here. Pens. Alright, want to go over some things here real quick. We have a very crisp information screen here. You got your transmission temperature. You got your trip computer. Your fuel economy meter. And you have various stuff for off-roading. Can tell you the incline of the vehicle, and when you go into settings you have various stuff for the remote start, auto locks, and etc. Oil life reset, cool stuff. Also we have the knob for the 4x4 system, 4H, that's 4x4 mode. And also if you need to lock the rear differential, you just pull it. See, when it's yellow, so it's locked. I'm gonna put it back. Now the sound system, it's pretty impressive. Also, I don't get it. Why so many people hate on the sync system? It's not the worst. I mean, it's a little bit quirky at times, but believe it or not, it's a pretty good system. And you can also control the climate controls through the screen as well. Nice and cool. You got some auxiliary switches. So let's say if you have, some custom LED work that you've done out to the front of the truck or whatever it is, you can easily control the power feed to them just by tapping into the box in the hood, which makes things, very easy to wire. We have hill descent control. We have off-road mode. We got the sunroof. Cool, huh? And we have the rear window, which moves as well. Very cool. Steering feels really nice for a truck of this size. I mean, considering that it's 7 inches wider than a regular F-150, I mean, my God, it's really precise for a truck. I am very impressed. Ford did a really great job with steering. Because of the wider track stance, the truck is more stable. It's like a magnet on the ground. Oh my God. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this review, and I want to give Mr. Scotty Kilmer a huge thanks once again. Keep revving those engines.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.